never forget the day I received that devastating phone call, and my whole world came crashing down. I thought her life was over, and although it's extremely painful and difficult for me to relive this nightmare, thankfully it was all part of God's plan, because my wife's near-death experience sent me on a quest that would save her life by uncovering a missing piece of the weight loss puzzle for hundreds of thousands of people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. A secret that has been hidden underground and unheard of until now. And you'll be even more excited to know it doesn't require you to change your diet or exercise. Yet it instantly goes to work by stopping the storage of fat cells. After months of frustration, failure, and disappointment of trying every diet and regimen under the sun, my bride and best friend in the world, Karen, a 60-year-old grandma from Michigan, used it to lose 11 pounds of stuffed belly fat in the first week alone, losing over 30 pounds of life-threatening visceral fat directly from her lower belly region, hips, arms, and backside, miraculously transforming her menopause belly from flabby to firm in less than 8 weeks, restoring her energy levels and mental clarity back to the days of her youth, soothing all her aches and pains, revitalizing her sex drive, giving her the schoolgirl complexion she thought she would never get back.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.
Skyrocketing her confidence and self-esteem to entirely new levels, leaving her friends and family and doctors shocked and in awe, dying to know how she did it all so fast. An astounding breakthrough backed by clinical research that is so effective, so powerful, it finally exposes and eliminates the #1 hidden culprit of your troublesome belly fat, accelerated aging, and slow metabolism. It has absolutely nothing to do with your hormones or the metabolism your mom and dad gave you. This remarkably easy over 40 protocol that takes as little as 10 seconds each day has been an anti-aging and longevity secret of the aging culture for centuries. But it was originally discovered inside the ancient Egyptian tomb of King Tut over 4,000 years ago. At first, I was extremely skeptical it could really be this easy. And then I tried this 10-second protocol myself, and my family watched in disbelief as my body instantly started eating its own fat, eliminating 21 pounds of my body's most stubborn abdominal fat, making my wife so proud she couldn't keep her hands off my sculpted abs. And we did it all without making one single change to our diet or exercise regimen. It was seemingly impossible for us to gain even a single pound because our bodies suddenly started incinerating everything we ate, from pizza and pasta to brownies and ice cream. Now you may be doubtful, and as unimaginable as it sounds, you too can eat all your favorite foods and experience these same benefits, because science proves this 100% natural remedy holds the key to electrifying your metabolism, controlling your blood sugar, and torching stubborn fat. The powers that be want you to think that your deteriorating health and weight gain is built into your DNA, that your genes are to blame. But it's not your genes, and it's not your fault. Because in the next 3 minutes, I'll share how Karen's close call with early death uncovered the hidden cause of your excess belly fat and slow metabolism. It's the real reason why your body's cells continuously store more and more fat inside them after you turn 40 years old, no matter how hard you diet or exercise. Never before told by powerful food and drug companies who survive by making you fatter and sicker. These facts were presented in double-blind, placebo-controlled studies published in the prestigious American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Journal of International Medical Research, and premier journal Lipids, demonstrating 400% greater fat loss. The easiness of this daily ritual will shock you and turn everything you thought you knew about fat loss on its head. An odd but simplistic, zero-effort solution specifically designed for the metabolism of people over 40 that can be done anytime, anywhere to stop your body from storing fat, sending your body's fat cells directly to active tissue where it is instantly burned for energy. This ancient super fat secret has nothing to do with cutting carbs, using keto or paleo, intermittent fasting, counting calories, or high-intensity exercise. It's not fish oil, krill oil, MCTs, a diet pill, or some magic greens powder. Yet it's the one and only thing that your body needs for you to finally get the metabolism, flat belly, and slim body you deserve. In fact, after it saved Karen's life and completely transformed our bodies, we went on to share the solution with over 252,000 other regular folks just like you. From the 40-something mom or dad wanting their high school body back, to grandmas and grandpas in their 50s and 60s who need to lose weight fast because they're at risk for a heart attack or stroke.
My life is so different after being on this over 40 protocol. I lost 17 pounds when I first started, and it has just stayed off. I can wear all of the clothes that that I could wear before, which is fantastic.
It's awesome. I have so much more energy. When I started, I was 234 pounds. And the day before I left for my wedding, I was down to 201.
You know, once you see results and you see results in your body and different changes and people are noticing, you get self-confidence again. You start having confidence, and everybody wants to have that.
And I'm not as tired in the afternoons as I was before. I mean, I just felt like I constantly either needed some sugar or caffeine, and I don't.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,